we take this opportunity to present to you the annual report. Year in Review, Progress and Achievements 2023 to 2024. Firstly, we express gratitude to Almighty Allah for the abundance of blessings and guidance bestowed upon us. We did our best and we are proud of our staffs and our students who strive hard to achieve beyond expectations. The Brainy Stars family consists of 350 students and 46 staffs, which includes 29 well-trained teaching staffs and 17 non-teaching staffs. Brainy Stars was founded in June 2013 in association with Aden International School, Malaysia. The Brainy Stars Foundation launched its first Montessori in Jayanagar, Bengaluru, India. Brainy Stars International Holistic Montessori, the country's pioneering institution of its kind, embraces a holistic approach and integrates Islamic moral values into the curriculum for comprehensive child development, targeting ages 2 to 6, which is essential for the development of every child. Our much-admired integrated curriculum, combining Montessori principles, excels in early childhood education, offering a unique platform for individuals to shape their futures. Our mission is to make our beloved country a knowledge leader and to practice a child-centric education system where the teacher is a role model. Our vision is to nurture future leaders with value-based education. Our goal is to offer high-quality education accessible to all segments of society, fostering the development of future leaders. Our philosophy, Prophet Muhammad said, "Every child is born on fitrat." We nurture this fitrat. We imbibe in him or her iman, knowledge, and taqwa, as these three help in achieving success here and hereafter. We aim to establish 1,000 preschools, 100 international schools, and 1 deemed university nationwide. We invite you to witness our dedication, explore our history, and delve into the comprehensive annual report for 2023 to 2024. Beyond teaching, our approach involves leadership, empowerment, exploration, creativity, and innovation. We are happy to share the glad news that in 2023, we marked a decade of providing quality education since our 2013 inception, with a special event combining a franchisee meet and a decennium celebration with our partners. At the beginning of the academic year, our chairman, D. Haider Wali Sir, was honored with a PhD, obtaining a doctorate from the American University, USA. In 2015, the Brainy Stars initiated its franchising program, reach into 6 franchisees by 2016, and over 100,000 children have graduated from Montessori, encompassing both franchise and company-owned branches. Amidst COVID challenges, we now provide comprehensive support to 12 franchisees. Brainy Little Star, a simplified version of our franchise chain, a new launch to empower women edupreneurs to independently operate schools with a modest setup and minimal investment, and with a mission to raise awareness about the importance of timely and right education for our community. The Discipline Committee is led by Teacher Divya, the Media Committee is headed by Ustaz Zia, Teacher Wasima heads the Event Committee, and Ustaz Musamil and Fazil lead the Sports Committee. Additionally, our students actively participate in these committees. Brainy Stars' mission is to nurture future leaders. The primary purpose of an investiture ceremony is to inculcate leadership skills in students. The school reopened for students in May. Teachers welcomed them with various sessions and interactions to create a sense of being in their second home. Brainy Stars School is encouraging children to learn and excel in English communication by hiring experts. Sports and martial art is taught to children at Brainy Stars School for self-defense and physical fitness. Abacus classes provide various advantages to students, especially in the early stages of education. These classes enhance mental arithmetic skills, encompassing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The tiny tots of Montessori and students of primary were trained by our brainy teachers to perform the arcans of Hajj in a very beautiful and practical way. Brainy Stars School celebrated Independence Day with full zeal, enthusiasm, and patriotism. Experience the Montessori held Jayanagar Branch. Brainy Stars School had invited parents to experience the Montessori concept followed with Islamic integration. Fruits Day celebrated at Brainy Stars School is a fun and educational event that aims to promote healthy eating habits and appreciation for nature's bounty among our young learners. A language is an exact reflection of the character and growth of its speaker. Brainy Stars School focuses more on fostering communication skills in students. Color Day celebrated at Brainy Stars Montessori School is a joyful celebration that combines fun with learning. It helps children develop a deeper understanding of colors. It was a proud moment to win the prize by our Brainy Stars School in inter-school competition held at PET School in September 2023. World Environment Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm, dedication, and a commitment to fostering environmental consciousness among students and the wider community. Cooking Without Fire competition held at Brainy Stars School, which was a fun and safe way for kids to create awareness about the nutritional values of the food and also hands-on cooking experience. The children from Brainy Stars Montessori had an enjoyable time exploring the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden in Bengaluru. Brainy Stars School had celebrated the power of language on this special occasion of Hindi Divas. Children came up with lovely speeches on 14 September 2023. The management of Brainy Stars believe that Teachers' Day is an opportunity to express gratitude towards our teachers for their selfless service and dedication. It is a day to celebrate the joy of learning and teaching. Children of primary attended University Fair held at BS International School, Electronic City. PTM, Parent-Teacher Meeting, is being conducted periodically to discuss the progress, challenges, and the behavior of the children. Children's Day is a joyous occasion celebrated at Brainy Stars School to honor and cherish the spirit of childhood. Karnataka Rajyotsava, also known as Karnataka Formation Day, is a significant state festival in Karnataka, India, celebrated on 1st November every year. Tiny tots of Brainy Stars and primary students had celebrated this day with various events and activities. The thrilling quest for knowledge, quiz competitions held at Brainy Stars School have become an integral and exciting part of the educational experience. Brainy Stars Montessori Sports Day was a vibrant and energetic celebration where young learners showcased their talents, enthusiasm, teamwork, and athletic skills and won the prizes. Exploring Brainy Stars' evolution and Chairman's success in establishing the Teachers Training Academy in 2013, fostering education for societal development, generating job opportunities, and offering secure training environments online and offline. We are happy to share the glad news that in 2023, we marked a decade of providing quality training to teachers since our 2013 inception with a special event. Alongside, we honored our old staff and a decennium celebration of TTA. Grade 8 students invited to Kantiva Stadium for road safety awareness program by traffic police in the month of January 2024. Parents and Gran had a great day playing games on Brainy Family Fiesta, and the prizes were distributed for the winners by their children. Joyful Family Day at Brainy Stars School's Jayanagar Branch, featuring a parenting session by Dr. Mohammad Saeed Sahab, illuminated with harmony and happiness. Our chairman initiated the DNS program in memory of his late father, aiming to unite couples, provide parental support through counseling, and offer training programs for staff development. Our upcoming school project 2025 to 2026 Insha Allah, proposed Brainy Star International School.